Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery percentage not showing on your Motorola Razr 70 Ultra 5G. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and restart the device to reset the battery sensor. It is not normal that you do not see your battery percentage. So we're gonna go over, press the power button, volume up button, and tap on restart. Of course, it is restarting now, so I'll see you guys in a second once the restart is done. Now, after the restart, what are we going to do is we're going to go over into the settings, and after opening up the settings, we're simply going to the battery. So here in the battery, as you guys can see, we need to go over and see the battery percentage. We want to make sure that it is enabled. As you guys can see, it will show our battery percentage right here on the status bar, and whenever we scroll down here to the control center, it will be always on. So that's why we want to make sure that we enable it here so that we can see it clearly. And of course, if you don't see it, then we're going to simply try a widget from the Play Store. So go to search and search for Battery Widget Reborn. As you guys can see, I'm on the page of the Thomas Kubalik. This is one of the best widgets. Now I'm going to click install, and it is only 15 and less than 16 megabytes. So now we should just open it up. Here we want to click on consent and start automatically. Let's leave, and here let's hold our fingers so that we open up widgets right here. And now we're gonna click here, click on add, and here we can also customize it, but I'll just keep it default. And here we have our battery percentage. As you guys can see, we can see it pretty clearly that we have 97%. But if you see 0 here, or it's just not displaying anything for you, then I would recommend going into the authorized device support center and tell them about the issue, because it might be a not working battery sensor. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.